Hi, this is Grace, and this is my solution for problem 66 in chapter 6, which is right here. Um, so I started off with the energy principle, which is E initial is equal to E final, and I wrote out all the components. The rest energies cancel out, and when they're really far away, we can assume that interaction energy is 0, so that's what I set as 0. So we end up having that Ki plus Ui is equal to Kf, and we I assumed the mass of the rock as 1 kilograms here because we weren't given the mass and we kind of needed to calculate the interaction energy, which in this case is the gravitational energy. And I just plugged all the constants in. And this is what I ended up with. And since we know that the final speed of the rock is 3 meters per second, we can use that to calculate the kf. I mean, it's obviously not close to the speed of light, so we can just use the simpler formula, which is 1/2 mv squared. And I plugged in the mass of the rock here and got 4.5 joules. Now we know that Ki plus Ui, which is negative 133.4, is equal to Kf, which is 4.5. So Ki is 137.9. Using the same formula, which is 1/2 mv squared, except now the v is v initial, which is what we're looking for. We can plug all the numbers in and solve for vi, which ends up being about 16.607 meters per second. And this is the graph that I sketched. We know that k plus u is greater than 0 because there was an end kinetic energy. And I tried to make them like really close here. And this is interaction energy, and this is the kinetic energy, and that's the k plus u. Another thing that I thought I might address to show like how to find a force using this graph. I didn't write it out, but we know that negative du over dr would give us the force. So if we want to find, say, the force acting on the rock when it's a certain distance from the asteroid, we can just find a corresponding like point on the u graph, measure the slope, and the negative of that slope would give us the force that's acting on the rock. Thank you. I know you mentioned that you want to ask me further questions. So I guess we can communicate via email? Question mark. Thank you so much.